friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's jump into some marble nails. I did these nails and I really fell in love with them, so I want to show you the method I use to do these marble, I would call them like marble or geode nails, and I've been wanting to try this design for a long time. It's super easy to do. I love the way they came out. I feel like they're cute for like the winter, any season really. You could just change the colors up. These really give me like fall winter vibes, and they're pretty simple. But first, let me show you the colors that I use. So this orange I got from Madam Glam, and it's called Give Me Pie. It's a super cute orange. Then this one I got from like a Beetles collection. I was looking for it in a bigger bottle solo, but Beetles needs to start doing that. Like, they have some really cute colors. They come in like the little mini sets that they sell, but if you want the bigger color, it's like hard to find it. But this one is Beetles 254, and it's like this really pretty green. And then I'm using this other color from Madam Glam called XOXO, and it's like a brown. And then I'm also using a black and white color that I got from Shein, but it's a really good pigmented black and white. So let me get it right quick. Okay, these are the blacks and the white, the black and white that I got from Shein, and it's the white is 002 and then the black is 003. You can see the brand. Hold on, wait, if it focuses. The brand is right there. So they're pretty affordable black and white colors. Okay, and then from the base color, I'm using this other color that I got from Shein in 001. And then this is the brand. So Shein has some really good colors. If you're looking for like affordable colors that you can get started with, or like some really good basics, I found some really good colors on Shein. So I'm gonna start with just doing a base coat of the nude color and curing that for 60 seconds. And it's a really pretty like nude. Oh, I love that color so much. I need to order some more. I hope they're not like, you know, I feel like Shein discontinues stuff quite often. But hopefully they don't discontinue any of these, because I need to order like a few of them. So really good. I probably reach for this color for my base quite often. It's so pretty. So while that's curing, what you're gonna do is you wanna take the colors that I showed you, the green, the orange, the brown, the black, and the white, and I have me a little palette, and you just take a brush and you just put them on the palette. So you can really put it in any order that you want it. I think I ended up putting like the white in two places, but you literally just take it on the palette and just start laying the colors side by side. Once you have the colors laid out side by side like this, which you can go in any order that you want, you can change up the colors if you want. I like to take a, I don't know what this is called. It's like a dotting tool almost, but it's very pointy. Okay, there it goes. Very pointy dotting tool. I like to take that and just like make a zigzag across the colors. Like this. And then once you do that, you want to go ahead and get your blooming gel. And I'm using the Amelie blooming gel. Looks like this. This is literally the blooming gel that I've been using for like, since I started using blooming gel and trying different designs of blooming gel. But what you do is take the blooming gel and you put it on the base color that you laid down. And when you put the blooming gel on, you do not cure it. And make sure you get like a good layer and cover all the whole nail and the sides really good. Okay, so it's on. And sometimes I like to take my hand and just like wipe down the sides too, like that, just to make sure I don't have any excess. And now you take a brush, and now you actually use like either a square brush or like a brush with like a slight curve in it. Okay, and so you take the colors and you pick them up from wherever you really want to start. Just take the brush and just dip straight. I like to go straight in between two colors so I can get like a good mix. And then you just start laying it down on the blooming gel. And then the blooming gel really will do the work for you. Just make sure you cover the space entirely. And each nail will look a little different. But you can literally do so many cute things with blooming gel. So you put that on there, and once you're satisfied with how your nail looks and how much it's spread, if you want to stop the spread, you go ahead and you cure the design. But then once again, before I put it in, I like to go ahead and just like wipe down the sides to make sure nothing is spilling over, and then I'll put it back in my lamp. If you like the design, you really could stop here if you wanted to, but I want to add a little something different on top of it. So I'm going to go in with some McCart rhinestone glue. My old reliable, I use it for like everything. All I do is take the glue and just squeeze it out and go in a circular motion to make sure that it stays circular. Okay, and then I'm gonna cure this for 60 seconds. Or you could do 30, whatever you wanna do. And then I like to go in with a clear top coat and just cover the dots with that, so I have me a little, you can use the same brush that you use to scoop it up really if it's small enough. I just take some clear polish, cover it, the little dots, and then after that you cure the dots for 10 seconds. Then you're gonna go in with some chrome powder and you're gonna chrome out the dots. So the chrome powder that I used, I don't really know. I have a couple of sets, and my cousin has bought me some chrome powders too. But this one, number 13, is like a gold. I feel like these are like general colors. This is kind of like a silvery bronze color. This one is kind of, I don't know, it's kind of like bronze. Bronze too, orange. It's more orangey. And then this one is like a deeper gold tone. A little scrubber brush, or you can use your hand and just scrub over the dots. All right, so then after that, I'm going in with my Koopa top coat, and I'm just going to top coat the whole thing, and it looks super cute. This is like, the nails came out so cute. Look at see up close. Ugh, these things, this not focusing is getting on my nerves. Okay, there we go. You see up close, super cute. So this is like just a quick fun little video. So I would call this like geo nails or marble nails, and I just stuck them on with some little sticky towels, but I think they turned out super cute. So if you want to see more videos on how to do a certain nail design that you think would be fun to learn, and if I know how to do it, or if I don't, I will think it's fun to learn too. So what's your favorite nail designs? Tell me if you like this nail design, if you've done it before, if there's an easy way that you've done it before. Do you like this design? Some different colors you would use? I want to hear it all. So thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.